Experience the fullness of Trophy Club Park's natural beauty by touring it on the water. The park is full of scenic trails and landscapes, but some of its wonders are really best enjoyed from on the lake itself. Whether you prefer to pair your paddle with a kayak or a stand-up board, Lake Grapevine is the perfect place for you. Take in amazing scenery, observe rare wildlife, or simply float along and enjoy the sun on your face and the breeze in your hair. With views like this, the only question left to ask is, what are you waiting for? Grab your paddle and head out to Trophy Club Park today. For more information, rules, hours, and more, visit trophyclubpark.com.